Hi students, in the previous class we discussed about networking topology. We discussed about the definition as well as the types of topologies. Okay, very important for 1 mark as well as the 5 marks ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. Today we will discuss communication modes. This communication mode defines in which data can flow depending upon the type of media used or medium used. Okay, here we have three types of communication modes. How exactly the data will get transferred, will get received ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಮ್ಯುನಿಕೇಷನ್ ಮೋಡ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. So here we have three types of communication modes: simplex mode, half duplex mode, and full duplex mode. So we'll discuss one by one. Very important again. Even 1 mark ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ, 3 mark ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾನೆ. Even sometimes they may ask for 2 marks also. Simplex mode. It is a unidirectional communication ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Why? Because in this simplex mode, sender can send the data, but that sender cannot receive the data. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ, ಒನ್ ವೇ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸೆಂಡರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ, ರಿಸೀವರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ, ಬಟ್ ಸೆಂಡರ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್, ರಿಸೀವರ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸೆಂಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೇಟಾನ ಸೆಂಡರ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ರಿಸೀವರ್ ಡೇಟಾನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಸೀವರು ಡೇಟಾನ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬಂದು ಟಿ ವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋ. ಸೊ ಟಿ ವಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೇಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ನಾವು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವಿ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ. ಈವನ್ ಟಿ ವಿ ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ ದ ಡೇಟಾ. Then half duplex mode. It is a two-way directional communication, but not at a time, but not at a same time. Means sender can send as well as the receive the data, but not simultaneously. So even receiver can receive the data and also can send the data, but not simultaneously. So example ಬಂದು walkie talkie. Even you can observe the diagram here. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಂಡರ್ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೀವರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ at the time of sending the data, it cannot receive. At the time of receiving the data, it cannot send. So it is a half duplex mode. So both the sender as well as the receiver can send as well as the receive the data, but not simultaneously. Full duplex mode. It is also called as two-way directional communication mode ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. In this full duplex mode, sender can send the data as well as the receive the data simultaneously. So even receiver also can able to transmit as well as the receive the data simultaneously. So we have some examples: mobile and telephone. So even you can observe the diagram here. So both here it acts as a receiver as well as the transmitter. In this end also it acts as a transmitter as well as the receiver, even at same time, means simultaneously. So it is the full duplex mode. So it's all about communication modes: simplex, half duplex, full duplex. Next, networking devices. We'll discuss about all the networking devices in the next class. How exactly these devices looks like, where exactly these devices situated in the network, what are the roles of all these devices in the network, how exactly these devices uses in the network, and all we will discuss in the next class.